Yeah, as per the discussion, what we had in the coding is, you can see the cloud. So as for this code, actually what happens, yeah, somebody is joining, right? Okay, let's join, let them join. Guys, you can understand this code, what exactly we are doing. So I equal to 0, I equal to 10, B equal to 0. So whenever you are trying to divide it by 0, the output value would be infinite actually. Right? That infinite value cannot present it by the computer, so that it will be under hang. It won't present the data. So now you can see, so we are trying to execute this program, what will be happen? Yeah, this is the error, it is showing that, okay? Hi, Tejasvi. Hello. Guys, yeah. So this is the error, it is raised, right? It is divided by the 0 error. So instead of that, it has to handle that. Now let's have one simple condition. If press equal to press equal to 1 then if press equal to 1 colon, you can simply say that no error. Suppose if you can say, I can say if A by B, for example, A by B, somebody is doing blind, submit all, I can see. If somebody, if I equal to, say that, that you can see. How to handle it? Suppose if you can say, if I equal to 0, that's once B equal to 0, B equal to 0, you may come across, you can simply say that if condition print there is an error, there is an error, there is an error called division by 0. Okay, so this message it is going to handle actually. So it won't execute anything. Let's simply say that the error message caused by the error. There is an error called by the divided by 0 error. So let us compile it once. Just a minute. If so, see. Yep. What happens, rest equal to I by 0, I by B 0. If B equal to 0, then printf the error is called by the division by error. So that is the normal situation. You see that division error by the error. There it is. External terminal automatically will be given the message like a division by error. This is the exception. Suppose file is not at all available, you are looking for that. One more example, we'll see. Some other examples also see. Now we can see if the amount is greater than is the value, like is the value. Then print up the eligible to purchase the DSA self. Yes. So this is the constraint. Assume that syntax level. Now you can see A equal to marks by 0. Print of A. Ultimately, it's a infinite error. Division by error. Okay. Then you can see error occurred. This message will be there. The code will run on the code. The editor. See guys, A equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the list of elements, right? A is the list where you will be having the 3 elements. So try block, print second element equal to percentile D, percentile of A of 1. Then you can also say that fourth element would be A of 3, except the error occurred. Why it is an error actually? Because how many elements are there? Only 3 elements. But we are looking for the fourth element also. A of 3 is the fourth element, but the elements are only 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's the reason. Let's see the from. You can see second element is 2. The error occurred because one element is okay. Second index is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Let's say 2. It may works out. Now you got it now. Second element is 2. Fourth element is 3. Okay. Instead of that, if you can say 3, that is the fourth element. 3, that is the fourth element actually. The elements are only not available. That's it. So the error. Now you can see the error. An error occurred. So this is the one example for the exceptional and next one. So this is the try catch block. This program is going to handle it without disturb the program. It will handle it. This will handle the things very proper way. Let's see. See the code here. So now you can see this code. Def function of a, that is a function is defined with one argument, that is a. If a is less than 4, then what we are doing? B equal to a by a minus 3. Okay. Now you can see throw the number error like this. So we are having the a equal to greater than less than 4. Then here b equal to a by a minus 3. Okay. Now we can see that value. Throw the error here. The value equal to b. Try equal to function of 3. We are passing the function 3 actually. So this is the value. Instead of a, you will be having 3. So then that will get executed. So if the case of 3 by a minus 3. Okay. In the case of 3, what happens you can see. Exception, error created. As a result, you'll be getting the message like that. You can see. Now you can see okay, 0 division error occurred at the handle. So without failing, at least it is showing the error message being generated. So this is the main advantage of the exceptional handling. Okay. Now you can see one more example. We'll see. So this is another problem. Simplest problem. It's a numerical exception handling. Go with the IDE. Remove it. Now you can see, guys. What is the problem definition? AB by, okay, that is A comma B. Two arguments are being passed here. Under try block, C equal to A plus B by A minus B. Based on your value, it will get evaluated. Okay, now you can see A by B 2, 3. What is the value? A plus 3, B plus 3, like A 2 plus 3, 5. Then 2 minus 3, that is minus value. Okay, now we can see that. 1. Now you can see minus 0, that's okay. A by B, result equal to 0. So this is the better example to check with the exceptional handling, how to handle it very effectively. Okay, you can see. This is the try block. Divided by 0, it's clear, I think, right? Raising an exception. Suppose you have a try block. How to handle this? Try, catch, handle. Try block. So you can see this. Copy this content. Remove it. Now you can see try block and raise an error. Name error. Hide there. Exception. Name error. Then print off an exception. Raise to determine whether the exception is raised or not. That you can see. And run this. Here it is. Raise your error. The error is raised. Raise the name error. Hi there. Okay, this is the raise an error actually. Okay. Now, I think this is okay for you for the context of the exceptional handling. And also, most of the students are not yet started the uh, writing the reports. Okay, I will show you how to write and all. Okay, step by step, I will explaining you. Okay, let me share the content here. You can stop it. I'll explain in the doc actually. Okay, you can see that. I'll take the notepad. The last class we have discussed actually. Maybe whether you get it or not, I don't know. Once again, nothing wrong. I'll explain you that. Okay. And in your document itself, some maximum you have to do that, right? So first you can take that. Is it visible to you guys? Hello, is it visible to you guys?
No, sir.
Now. This is the notepad actually. Is it visible to you? No? Not visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Or else I will explain in the notepad and that will be fine for you. Okay. Let me share the data and I'll explain on the notepad. Okay. I'll take the word. I will show you that how to solve the problem for a given problem. Okay. Let's see the code also. Tomorrow onwards, so try to, whenever you have a time now, you can start writing the reports. I'll show you the techniques, how to do it and all. Technology. Okay. Functions. Okay. So this is the lab, right? Most of the students are also asking that. I will show one record, one sample doc. Also, every time, okay, you need not worry about it. Just a minute. This is the Python programming lab manual. In front of you, I will show you how to do it and all. Okay. Now we can see that. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys, is it visible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first one is exercise 1, right? Basics. Copy this and make the document empty doc. What you can do, I will show, you can observe that whatever I'm doing, you can do. In your lab, what you can do, you can see that. Okay. Copy this. The first problem is, you can say that, experiment 1. Experiment 1, colon, running the instructions of the interaction interpreter and Python script. Okay. So it means that you have to write the interactive interpreter and Python script. So it means that what you can do, first you can go to the Python script. This one actually. In your lab, we have to do this actually. In your laboratory, you have to do this actually. Not for the cloud. We need to use the Python idle that you know, right? It is put actually. Yeah. Now you can see, guys. This is the how to execute and all. Okay. Now you can see. You can have the screen like this. You can have the screen like this. First step in your document. This is the first screen. Okay. You can also edit that from your system. This is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, to run the Python program at your laboratory. Already all of you have done, right? Say yes or no? Say yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah, this screen we have done, right? How to open it and all, right? That is the screen you have to add up. Then you can simply say that this is the question for the, this is the question. The first question A is there, na A. This is the first one. The answer should be like this. You can simply say that. Step 1. You simply say that. Step 1. Step 1. All of you can listen carefully. In the step 1, open the IDE. Open the Python IDE. Python Then next step 2. Step 2 can be open the shell, open the Python shell, open the Python shell. Okay, how to open it actually? You can see that the code. So here you can see that open new. So this is the simplest program. This one. So write a simple program. A equal to, give the comment. Write a code. Write a simple addition in Python and run the program. Now you can see A equal to 10, B equal to 20, and the rest equal to A plus B. You can simply say that rest equal to, right, print printf, print of the sum is colon comma rest. Automatically the things will be done. Now you can also have the screen. You can also take the screen here, make the screen, make it available in the document. So this is the doc. You can prepare like this. Did you understand, guys, what I am trying to say? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is what you have to do actually. So this is what you have to do. This second step. Then here you can see that step 3 can be step 3. Run the program. Run the program. Simply say that also you can show, execute and show the record. You can say that run module. Okay, save it. Before that, save it. You simply say that test demo. Test demo 1, 2, 3, 4, something. You can save it. Already saved, na? The file is saved. Now we can run it. Got the result or not? Say yes or no. You got the result or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can also keep the record here and make it copy and put it in the document. Step 3 can be this. This is the expected output. This is enough for the first experiment. All of you can do it by tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like this you can do, all of you. So this is the expected result. And tomorrow let us do 2 more examples. We'll in the sessions itself we'll be finishing all the lab experiments. Along with the theory, let's also finish the document also. Okay, this document is enough, guys. This is an effect. This is the first experiment. Okay. And second experiment is we can write the wrong code. So you can simplify that also I will explain. Write the code here. So instead of this, make the indentation error, make it indentation error automatically. You'll be getting an error. You got it now? Expected indent. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the solution for the second one. You can make wrongly, you can make the error. So automatically indentation error will be generated. Tejasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear now what I'm trying to say? Experiment second, that is experiment 1 and B. B solution. This is the indentation error. Automatically, we need to make the resin error, then get it actually. This is the first experiment. You can finish it. That is an effect. All of you can do it by tomorrow. And show me virtually. Once after completion of this, you can show me. Okay. B solution. So this is what we are expecting. Now you can see there is a problem. There is a problem that no. There is an exception. There is an raise an exception and do it actually. This is the raise an exception. That is what is the error? What is the type of error it is? It is indentation error. This is called indentation error actually. Okay, guys, with this we are going to wind up this session today. And tomorrow by the same time, 6 to 7, let us meet. If possible, we'll also spare more time also. Okay. We'll stop it here. Up to this clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this you can do all the experiments. I will keep on explaining you each and every line of code and you can finish it. Okay, not a problem. Okay, you need not worry. I'm here to explain everything. You need not worry about it. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay, so what you can do tomorrow? Let's see the exceptional with some more examples here. Okay, and also we can work with the experiment 2 to 5. By tomorrow, we'll be explaining the 5 experiments. First 5 experiments, we'll be finishing it tomorrow with solutions. Okay. So we'll be finishing the first 5 experiments. We'll be finishing in the session itself. Actually, that's my intention. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Guys. Okay, guys. Take care. Bye. I'll send the recorded video also. Okay, along with this.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night, ma'am. Good night. Bye. Take care. We'll meet at 6 o'clock.